Good morning, students. I am Ashish Srivastava here with a new topic of science, that is separation of substances. Students, all around there are so many things, but ever have you think these substances are what kind of this? Either they are pure, either they are mixture. Mixture means when two or more pure substances combine together are known as mixture. So you can see all around us so many things, means only few things are there, they are countable on finger, are found in uh, pure form. Either other substances are found into nature in mixture form. Like tea you are drinking, there is a mixture of milk, sugar, water and tea leaves. Whatever you can use, I am using this pen, so this plastic is also a mixture of two substances. The ink what we are using in it also a kind of mixture. Petrol, it is mixture. Gas you are using in kitchen is also the mixture. Cold drinks, there's mixture. Chapati means roti that you are eating is also the mixture of carbohydrate and water. Simple. So the things that we found in around us mostly are found into form of mixture. So basically three kinds of the substance around us found. First is pure substances, second is mixture and third is compound. So what are the pure substances? The substances which are found in its pure form are known as the pure substances. And second is mixture. Mixture is the mixing or the combination of two or more than two pure substances or impure substances. And compound is also kind of mixture, but here a little difference between the mixture and compound. When we will talk about the properties, I will tell you the difference between mixture and compound. So let's talk about one by one about these substances. So pure substances. In the nature, gold is found mostly into purest form. But why it is dug out from the earth, it is also not in the pure form. We purify it into through a process. Then after we get the gold. And if we put the gold into open area, for many years it will not react with any other things or will not corrosion. Got the corrosion. It will not corrode by the nature easily. It means gold is not more reactive or very good doing very good reaction. That's why like gold, platinum, silver, they react with the nature in very slow mode. So like the iron, gold, silver, these oxygen, nitrogen, these are the examples of the pure substances. When these substances are mixed together, they form the mixture. So the property of mixture, so in the mixture, the substance retains their original properties. They will not lose their properties. And second property that is very important, the substances of the mixtures can be separate to each other very easily. And third is compound. Compound is also a kind of the mixture. But in compound, the original substances, means by which this compound is made up of, they lost their original property. Also, second one, the compound, from the compound, the substances cannot separate easily. For example, water. It is the combination of hydrogen and oxygen gases. You know guys, oxygen and hydrogen, these are the gases. they are present around us. You cannot see them also, but when they are combined to each other, they form water. There is a long process, a very difficult process of the combining of the oxygen and hydrogen. So when they combine to each other, they form the compound. So that is compound water. So as I told you the property, the purest substances of the compound loses their original property. So here oxygen and hydrogen both lost their original property. They are in the form of gases, and after the reaction they converted into liquid, that is water. Also from the water you cannot easily separate hydrogen and oxygen, right? While in the mixture, suppose that you have taken one handful of sand, one handful of the wood dust and mix it together. Wood dust stands for the burada. Mix them together. So they will not lose their property. Sand remains the sand, and the wood also retain the wood, and you can easily separate them. Have you any idea how could we separate the sand and the wood dust? Think and then tell me, because in this chapter, in upcoming steps, I will tell you how to separate them, but till I want that you should start thinking about it, right? So now the question that arises in our mind, that is why we need to separate the substances from the mixture. So there are few necessities of us by that put ourselves that we separate them. So first main thing is that to find the desirable substance, to take out the desirable substance from the mixture. That is the main reason. For example, in tea, when your mama is preparing the tea and give it to you for drinking, you can see there is no tea leaf, because tea leaves are not necessary for us. We don't want to drink it. So that's why with the help of strainer, we remove the tea leaves from the mixture. So now the extract that we get, we drink it in the cup early morning or in the evening. Most of the students, I think you are not taking tea, you are taking milk. So milk is also the mixture of different kind of the protein, vitamins and carbohydrate. It contains little bit calcium and phosphorus also. And when mama makes some sugar, so it also again converted into a sweet mixture. So I'm talking about the tea. So I want a desirable substance, that is the liquid. So that's why we separate tea leaves from the mixtures. Second reason, to remove the harmful thing. So in a mixture, maybe there is a harmful thing. So that's why we need to separate it. Third is we need to obtain our remove the undesirable substance. Like the tea leaves are undesirable, so we remove it. So these four reasons are there. That's why we need to separate the substances. First is separate the things to get them in their original shape, form. Second, for desirable thing, obtaining the desirable thing. Second, removal of the harmful. And third is undesirable things. They are not useful, to remove the unuseful things from the mixture. So these are the four reasons. That's why we separate the things from each other. So there are several methods to separate the substances from a mixture. So we will talk about them in next video. Until you will revise these points and keep in your mind, we will meet on next day with the next part of this video. Thank you, and till have a nice time.